Home defense is crucial. You want to be someone who can protect their home and family from physical attacks at all costs, and that will be a little difficult if you don't have the right skills and pistol. That's right, pistols are popular handguns known to come in handy in home defense scenarios, mainly because most pistols are highly reliable, versatile, and easy to handle. Pistols have become a popular choice for home defense as a result of their high magazine capacity. You stand a better chance at defending yourself and protecting your loved ones in a high-stress situation when you operate a pistol because pistols are easy to reload, unlike revolvers. With a loaded magazine on the side, you can quickly and effectively neutralize any attacks even when your pistol runs out of bullets. So in situations when you need to take multiple shots to neutralize attacks, you can't go wrong with a good pistol because some pistols are packed with as much as 17 rounds. So what particular pistol should you then purchase on your quest for home defense? We'll show you 7 home defense pistols you absolutely need right now, so watch till the end so you don't empty your wallet on a pistol that won't serve your purpose. Ready to find out? Then smash that subscribe button and let's get rolling. And now to the crown prince on our list. Number 1, Springfield Echelon. Everything about the Springfield Echelon is just excellent. From the gripping serration that makes racking the pistol smooth to the fact that it's designed to accommodate a wide variety of red dot sights is super exciting. The Springfield Echelon is a full-size pistol that offers 17 plus 1 round magazine capacity, and with the extended base pad installed, you get a whopping 20 plus 1 rounds. There's no stopping you when you're armed with such great capacity. The fun part about the Springfield Echelon is that some models come suppressor ready, so you can teach the bad guys some lessons without raising any alarms and disturbing your family and neighbors. Also, the Echelon possesses a fine billet machined melanite finish and a wear-resistant coating that makes it very durable. It's optics ready, and frankly, you can only do better in your home defense with a pistol such as the Springfield Echelon. Number 2, Sauer P320. Ranking number 2 on our list of 7 home defense pistols you absolutely need right now is the P320, a modular pistol made to serve many purposes, one of which is home defense. The modularity of the P320 puts it at the top of the list, especially for shooters who value being able to pick the parts that best work for them. The interchangeable grips make it possible for different hand sizes to manage the pistol properly, making maneuvering a lot easier. It also comes with 17 round interchangeable magazines equal to the crucial task of home defense. Worth stating is the accuracy level of the P320. It doesn't matter where and on what you're standing on. Secure the target and rest assured that you won't have to take another shot at the same target because it'll be a bit. If at this point you're not sure which pistol to go with, you should know that you and all that you love will be safe if you get it right with the P320. There isn't a single doubt about that. Number 3, Glock 17. Let's face it, when it comes to home defense or any defense, the Glock 17 cannot be completely outshined. Where other full-size pistols stand, the Glock 17 stands taller. As one of the pistols many Glock and pistol lovers fancy, it's no surprise it ranked 3rd on our list of best home defense pistols. If you didn't find a pistol that caught your eye until now, then this one certainly did. Equipped with a 17-round magazine capacity, the Glock 17 packs enough ammunition for as many follow-up shots as you need. Let's hope you won't need that many rounds to neutralize an attack, but just in case you do, it's sufficient for the task. It's not only a reliable pistol, it's also durable. The Glock 17 is surely the one pistol you have in your collection, and in case you're wondering why exactly you need a Glock, I'll tell you. The reliability, efficiency, and performance of Glock pistols are undeniable. Before we move on to the top 2 pistols on our list, if you've watched to this point enjoying the video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel so you can find more amazing content just like this from us more often. For a bonus tip, full-size pistols are easier to control than compact or subcompact pistols, so you might want to consider a full-size pistol before any other kind. But whatever you end up choosing, if you work with our list, you'll definitely find the best pistol for yourself. Now, let's move on. Number 4. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. Here, you have another subcompact pistol that's more than just a pistol, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. That's more than just a pistol, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. Let's get this straight. Whenever and wherever you hear the name Smith & Wesson, it commands respect. You may not be a big fan of the brand, but you can't dispute the fact that they put out excellent pistols for the money. To take your home defense game up a notch, you need the M&P Shield whether you like it or not. Its slim profile offers comfortable handling. Its subcompact size comes with relative ease of use, and the 7 rounds its magazine can hold are sufficient to counterattack. You can trust it to take down targets and neutralize threats even when your hands are unsteady. With the M&P Shield as your home defense pistol, all you have to worry about is not getting into trouble with the fence, but for your attackers, they'll know something hit them. Number 5. Springfield Armory XDS. Subcompact pistols can be great for home defense, and the Springfield Armory XDS is an example of a subcompact pistol that's worth every penny. Although, just like most other subcompact pistols, the Springfield Armory XDS can only take a few rounds. The 7-round magazine that comes with it is just the amount you need to handle most situations if you get your shooting game right. So don't let the 7 rounds make you think for a second that it can't get the job done. Oh, it certainly will, and by the end of the whole drama, you'll be ready to purchase some for your buddies as well. Number 6. Sauer P226. You can't go wrong with this one. Living up to its name and worth the hype is the SIG P226, a full-sized pistol. It's been in use by the Navy SEALs as a sidearm, and that suggests that this is one of the most reliable pistols you'll find. Equipped with a 15+1 round magazine, the SIG P226 can take accurate shots so you don't waste bullets in a highly stressed situation, especially when you have little time to ensure the safety of your home. It comes in 9mm and 40 S&W chamberings, each capable of holding 15 and 10 round magazines respectively. However, it doesn't matter whether you're working with the 15 round or 10 round magazine. You're in good hands with the SIG P226 as your home defense pistol. Number 7. Walther PPS M2. Synonymous with high quality is the Walther PPS M2, a lightweight pistol that possesses impressive firepower. It's the perfect pistol for home defense because it packs a lot for the punch and is so meticulously engineered that it's rarely reported for firing issues. The Walther PPS M2's 15+1 round magazine capacity is enough to put any attacker in their place. Whether you're in the basement or going up the stairs, this pistol gives you the comfort and ease you need to enable you to fire accurate rounds. It comes with a Picatinny rail for the attachment of other weapons with interchangeable back straps. If you're looking for a good home defense pistol that won't let you down as a newbie or an experienced shooter, you should get the Walther PPS M2 immediately. But not so quickly, there's more you can add to your collection. And with that, concluding our list of the top 7 home defense pistols you absolutely need right now, we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember to hit the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on subsequent updates from us. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think about our list. Thanks for watching.